Hey there viewers, I wanted to shoot this video real quick on a homemade smoke machine that I built. However, it's not working, it's not turning on. It must have broke the last time I used it. I do have it plugged in and I got my meter set up, and we can read that we have voltage coming out of the outlet. So we have power going to this thing, but I use my infrared thermometer here, and hopefully you can see that. But if we shoot here, this tip is not heating up. We're just reading ambient temperature. However, I built this with an old pickle jar. There's videos on how to do it on YouTube. And basically you put mineral oil in with some sort of a wick type device, like a sock or a rag or something. And at first I used JB Weld to try to hold this down, but it ended up coming off. So then I got some POR-15 epoxy. Now it's not this 6-pack thing, but it's from POR-15. I got some epoxy that I used. That's what all of this is on the top here. And these little fittings, I just took either a pen or a mechanical pencil that you could take apart, and then I cut it into little sections with I did that with a tubing cutter. And then so this guy, he just kind of fits down on there. And so this is an old spark plug boot. And this hose was like an extra hose in I think it came in my Mighty-Vac kit. And then so this guy, he just kind of fits over one of these nipples. And then you can connect this to some sort of a vacuum source that's on your intake manifold. And this part here, pump just fits right down in it. So then the smoke that is generated, you can just pump it on out into your vacuum, or into your intake manifold and all of your hoses and routings, in order to check to see if you have a vacuum leak. But anyway, I just wanted to shoot a quick video. I'm going to end up buying a new soldering iron and either cut this one out and put a new one in here, or probably just get a new lid and just redo the whole new top. So anyway, thank you for watching my video. I hope you find that useful.